They did the Marquis as a Euro-style boat, and it is very reminiscent of an Azimuth or a Sunseeker. It has those Euro lines, much higher level production and construction than the Carvers, which are really nice boats. This is a high-end boat, and she is set up for cruising. Her present owner has cruised with her to the Bahamas on multiple occasions. Highlights: under 1,000 hours on her big Volvo D12 715 horsepower motors. They run great, they run strong, the electronics are good. The boat drives great and looks great, and she is priced well below the market. This is one of only a few Marquis 59s made with only an upper helm station. The majority of them have a lower helm station there. If you take a look at what you get space-wise by having this as a dining settee area as opposed to a lower helm station, particularly for those of us here in Florida, you know, there's no reason to have a helm station here. It is more often than not a complete waste of space. So this is a really cool design and very unusual. And I'd say most of them, I think that it was under 20% and may even have been under 10% of the boats built this way. And it's a 20-year-old boat, but she doesn't look like she's 20 years old. And that's really the key and where her value comes into play.